Have you ever seen videos like these? If the answer is no, that's a pity, because I just made a similar video. And today I'll be showing you how you can create these custom FC26 covers. So the first step is to head over to Google and just type in EFC24 or 25. I'll use the EFC24 because it really has a nice cover for the Ultimate Edition, but you can use whichever you want. Then type in EFC26 logo, and you'll want to download this one from Ray FIFA. To make the cover a bit more exclusive, let's also add the Hypermotion. So type in Hypermotion 5 and download this one right here from X. If you want, also add the rating pending. So now that you have the official elements of the EFC cover, you have to choose an image that you'll want to put on the cover. And you can use whatever image you like. I chose this image right here of Ronaldo in the UEFA Nations League final. But essentially what you want to do is to type in a very specific image that you would like to see and just choose one of these. Just make sure it is a good quality and that it doesn't have a watermark. Now let's head over to CapCut. Let's create a new project and add our files. Here they are. Now what I want you to do next is to add the official cover twice. This will allow us to compare each one. Let's change the aspect ratio of 1:1. By the way, I recently made a tutorial on how to change the aspect ratio and transform your videos. If you want to check it out, it's a under 2-minute video. I'll be linking it right here on the top right corner. Now to the first cover, let's add these overlays. Order them. Now this next step is crucial if you want this to succeed. Let's drag it over to the second cover and diminish this logo. After diminishing, you just need to adjust it, exactly like that. The first part is done. Now let's do the same thing with Hypermotion. So drag it right over here to the second cover. Click on Chroma key, it will be automatically selected. Click on black and just remove the black background. Exactly like this. Now let's do the same thing, let's diminish it and try to align it perfectly with the official cover. That should do it. Now we just did the hardest part. Next step is to drag the image that you want right over here, increase it so it matches exactly the size of the original, like that. Adjust it so the main characters are in the picture, and there you go. Now we just need to add the official logo. You can choose the black one, but I prefer to use a white one, which is the official one. Here we have the white one. I'll be leaving a link for this in the description. Now let's do Chroma key again. Exactly like this. Shadow, clean up edge. Now that we have the logo created, we can place it wherever we want. However, for it to be exactly precise, I'll go to the original cover so that we can resize it. I think that will be good. I suggest you see the EA Sports and the FC, because the numbers are quite hard to understand. So there we have it, guys. Now the final step is obviously to combine all of these. So we have everything here in the first project. You just have to drag everything back. Now the only problem is, how do you know exactly where to take the screenshot? To understand that, I suggest we go over here to the 3 lines, guides and rules. Now let's add a vertical guide. Now let's place this vertical guide right where the white part starts. Now let's place another one right where the white part ends. So that is the official EFC cover. Now the only thing that we need to do is to take the screenshot. And that is the full guide on how to create the new custom EFC26 cover. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos of CapCut tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.